Alright guys, here's what we got going on. So basically I'm going to show you the readme text. Okay, so this is our Cloaker script. Basically what this does is, for those of you who don't have access to Phantom Awsd Spider Spy, one of our services, or an updated API, to pull in from the different bots, or the different resources that provide, bad bots and stuff like that that we don't obviously want traversing through our sites and stuff. What this does is it will pull from a number of different places, and you can continually update this list. Now, it's already very, very, what's the word for it? Populated with good stuff already. So basically what we have here is we have 3 files, okay? And I'll just get into this one instead of this one right here, okay? So this one would be like if you're just simply wanting to rotate URLs. You see what I mean? And uh, send the bad bots to these different sites right here, okay? And they could be any one of them, any different site, it doesn't matter. But forget about this file right here, okay? This is index. Now this one right here is, as you can see, readme.php. You would just rename this. Don't mind this right here, okay? This could be updated or not, it doesn't matter. This is just a header call function, which expires and whatnot. But anyway, the way that this works is you can see right here, okay, links, okay, where the bots are blocked, or bots and blocked IPs will be redirected, okay. So again, this is where the bad guys are going to be redirected to, okay. So you can leave this list as is, or you can change it, or however. All right. Now this right here, this is these are the links where desktop visitors will be redirected, okay. Your regular money sites or CPA offers. Okay, so basically you can do this in regards to split testing as well, so you can add as many URLs as you want here. All right, so just for quick example, I'll just go ahead and show you what I mean. So you could put that there, and it would just keep on traversing through Google in this instance. But what I'm getting at is that that's one of the things you can do. Okay, so this is for desktop visitors. Okay, now down here, this is where your mobile visitors will be redirected. Okay, again, your money sites and CP offers. So I don't know if you guys are building out separate mobile sites, actual mobile sites, but the way that mobile phones work and mobile devices work are that they don't necessarily see responsive as mobile. Okay, there is quite a difference. Meta viewpoints and stuff like that. There's a lot to it. So you can, if you have a responsive theme that you're using, uh, you could go ahead and give it a shot. Okay, so again, we'll just go ahead and put these right here. All right, and again, it just rotates through them, and this is for your mobile visitors. Okay. And we all know that mobile is where it's at. Everybody's using mobile. And with that being said, this is a good thing to take into consideration. I've got a tool that I have no problem with lending you guys. And what it does is it actually builds out mobile websites, like complete websites. Hold on, and I'll show you the link. Okay, so right here, you can see this right here. This is what actually develops real mobile. I mean, and I'm not talking responsive or anything like that. Okay, so this actually generates real, real mobile websites. Okay, so you can change your color scheme, you can change your your graphics and things such as that, and you can also change images. I'm recording a video. Okay, okay. And so anyway, what you can do is, you see all your different pages and stuff like that. You can create your content. It's got a built-in WYSIWYG editor right here, as you can see. So you could, now this is in the case I'm offering you guys this, just because, okay. But right here you could put, let's just say Google.com, and then title SEO. work. I don't know, and then set it to be in a new window or whatever, submit it, and boom, now you've got a hyperlink, okay? There's a whole lot of different things you can do with this, okay? You can add images, within things and whatnot. It's really cool. Okay, so let's just say, for example, this is Alex's SEO company, okay? And then we go ahead and we apply that. Now we see Alex's SEO company, all right? And this is a true mobile website, okay? This is a true mobile website. It's got the tap to call, and all that stuff. And then all you do is you generate the zip, okay? And then you simply upload it into a subdirectory, kind of like, m dot, m for mobile dot, yourdomain.com or whatever extension you're using. And then you just simply put a little snippet of script on the non-mobile page, okay, in the header. And what it'll do is it'll redirect any mobile device to your newly created website. So anyway, the link is right here, okay, guys? I don't mind y'all using this at all. Okay, so it's extreme-membership.com/mobi. All right, M-O-B-I, all right, /index.php. You guys are welcome to use this. I have no problems about it, no qualms about it. Lots and lots of cool stuff with that. So now let's get back to the other one. Sorry about the noise too, guys. I'm working from the house today and things are a wreck. So, all right, so now let's look back into some other things. Now, in order for you to update what we've already got here, okay, now these are, if you notice right here, it says Twitter IPs, okay, malware link scanners, URL expanders, botnets, spam servers, and other unwanted IPs. Okay, now this is what we generate and gather from our software, Phantomos, okay, and Spider Spy. Okay, now this basically, what you see here is you'll see IPs, okay, but then you also see their octet, okay, or their slash. So this is on a /24. So anything within this this class, okay, any IP within this class right here, okay, is going to be redirected, okay, to one of these sites right up here, okay, that we covered earlier. All right. Now, what you can do is you can enable email logs and notifications. So what I would do is I would set up like a dummy account, like on Hotmail or Live or Gmail or something like that, and put in your username, the email, your the from email address, email password, and the email service, which right now is Hotmail. That's fine, and what it'll do is it's going to give you statistics, 3 different kinds of statistics. Okay, it's going to give you your desktop visitors. Okay, it's going to show you your desktop visitors. Okay, it's going to show your mobile visitors. Okay, and all the information that's included with that, IP, user agent, and all that stuff. And it's also going to give you another, a third file that is going to give you things such as the bad and unwanted malware link scanners, botnets, leachers, and stuff like that. All right, but we've got a very extensive list. So, I mean, I highly doubt that you're going to need to, update anything with that. Okay, so as you can see right here, the list just goes on and on and on. Okay, it's a very, very, very large list. Okay. And again, you can continue to add to this with those files that you get. Now these right here, these are the bad bots, okay? These are the bad bots that we don't want crawling our sites, okay? So as you can see here, we've also got the user agents, okay, of those bots, okay? Now, some bots that you guys might think are good really aren't, okay? So that's something to keep in mind. For example, I'll give you something that you might think is one that you would want to have scraping your site, and looking at your site and stuff like that. And that would be, let's see, where is it? Yahoo, with an exclamation point right here, or Yahoo Slurp, yeah, Yahoo Slurp right here, okay, or Yahoo Seeker, okay. It all depends, you know what I mean, on what you're doing. All right, but what we've done here is we've put in a little comment that says if you notice less visitors from Twitter, remove the last 16 bots from the list above, starting from Convera, okay? So you're going to want to remove the last 16 bots from the list above, starting from Convera, okay? So you'll see Convera's in here, so, yeah, right here. So you would want to remove these right here, okay? All right, and so anyhow, again, that's optional, okay? So now all of this stuff is really irrelevant, okay, because it's all pre-set up in the top of the file where I showed you. But basically, you see right here, okay, the array is log visitors, log mobile visitors, and then log bots, okay, so that you can see like what's going on, what's happening, and things like that. Down here, okay, down here we have a whole bunch of different stuff, okay, so you don't have to really worry about all this stuff like preg-match and all that stuff. This is all code. So anyway, what you're going to want to do is you are going to also want to know that this script can actually self-destruct itself, so it actually can remove itself from the server completely if you're running certain offers and stuff like that for a specific network and you get caught. You know, you don't want you don't want to get busted or anything like that. So anyway, that's an option as well. I can get into further detail, but for time's sake, I'm going to hurry up and get this done. What we're doing is a 301 permanent redirect, okay? And let's see, as we get down here, I'm going to show you the list of, I'm going to go ahead and give you a list of the mobile agents, okay, mobile phones. There's definitely not a, oh yeah, and this is where you can send, you know, set your settings in regards to, you know, how many hours or how often you want to get your log files and stuff, okay? And then down here again is your, you know, smtp.live.com's TSL, you know, so if you're using Hotmail, you'd, this is settings are already set, and then Gmail settings are already set right here with port numbers and everything. Now, right here, we've got our own built-in PHP mailer class, okay? So basically, it's going to mail, you know, basically for you to your email address that you have set, okay? So now let's get back down here into the nitty-gritty of things, all right? Now we're going to be looking at the minified version of the PHP mailer, okay, which is, if any of you guys know about the mailing and stuff like that, every server has a PHP mailer, okay, class set, all right? So anyway, this is just the PHP mailer, okay, minified. So it's everything built all into one single script, one single PHP file, a whole plethora of code and software built into one PHP file, okay? So it's very, very easy to use, and you guys will get a lot out of it if it's something of interest to you. I mean, I notice you guys are talking about cloaking, redirecting, stuff like that, you know? This is going to be the way to go, okay? Never confuse cloaking with redirecting, okay? Cloaking is the process of masking, let's say, an affiliate offer over top of the content that's relevant for the SERPs to see. You understand? So basically down here you can see some more code, okay, that's probably a bunch of mumbo jumbo to you guys. You don't understand it, and I can understand that. It's no big deal. All right, but getting down here, we'll go ahead and get into the different what's it called, cell phone providers. So there's not a single cell phone on the market that we don't have listed in here. So it doesn't matter. You're never gonna, you know, have to worry about any kind of device or whatever not going to your money site if you choose to, if you were to choose to do the mobile, you know, mobile website thing. So right here we have the minified version of the mobile detection class. Okay, right here, rather. Okay, and then down here you can see all the different, okay, devices. Okay, so we have our iPad, you know, Apple iPad, iPod 1, the iPhone, okay, iPhone 0 through 4 devices, Androids, okay, BlackBerry, and all their browsers, they choose different browsers as well. And then you can also see right here the actual Windows smartphones, okay, and all the different versions, okay. So you have like your LGE, the 4 VX1000, okay. You have the M800, and so on and so on, okay. Um, this is really important to have, because to have stuff like this is not just like handed out to just anybody. It takes a lot of work to get this kind of information, okay? And it's all here for you guys if you find it useful. Again, as you can see, all the different, uh, the Nokia, and then all their different model numbers and stuff like that. I mean, it's very, very extensive. The list is just goes on and on and on. Okay, so I doubt that there's a single mobile device that we've actually missed. Okay, so if you find this valuable, great. Let me know, and I'll go ahead and more than happily send it over to you guys as my gift, pre-Christmas season gift. Okay, but this is basically something. So let me give you a quick scenario. Let's say that you want to, you're setting up your money sites and stuff like that, and if you're doing linking, okay, if you're doing linking from like forums, blogs, other blogs, plig networks and stuff like that, okay, uh, or emailing, or let's just say Twitter, it doesn't matter. What you're going to do is you're going to send the traffic to, once you rename this, so let's say that you name this, you know, something.php, it doesn't matter, you know what I mean? But you're going to be sending traffic to this file, and then this file is going to then redirect them to your money sites, okay, in which you would put right here, okay? All right. And then if you choose to do the mobile, you can try it with the responsive. Most of these themes now are responsive, but they're not mobile. They're not recognized as mobile. And there's a big difference. So you're going to want to give it a try either way. But yeah, that's the conclusion. I hope that you guys find this valuable. Just let me know, yay or nay, if you want it, man. And I got you, bro. All right, guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this, and I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. All right. Oh, pray for my son Isaiah. He's got a pretty large fever, man. It came out of nowhere. So prayer is much appreciated, guys. All right, I'm out.